It's laid, okay? Hello, Care Queens! Welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of my Vlogmas series, I guess you can call it, where I am going to be filming a couple videos a week for you guys that are going to be kind of sort of surrounding around Christmas or the winter season or anything that I feel like fits this particular weather situation. And of course, in perfect fashion, we are going to make it a very self-care Vlogmas. So we are going to be starting off this series today talking about what I think you and I should have on our Christmas wish list this year that are self-care items that are not only affordable, but very useful. So hopefully this will help you guys kind of decide on what you want so you can tell your boyfriend, your mom, your cousin, your friend what to get you, and they won't have to break the bank to get it. But before getting started, please do not forget to subscribe down below if you guys want to see more videos from me. It would mean the world to me, and make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like these types of videos. And of course, follow me on Instagram so that you guys can just keep up with my life. Let's just get into the video. I actually don't really talk too much about hair on this channel, only because I wear wigs a lot, but there are certain products that I'm so obsessed with that I think I should share more with you guys on here, especially if they're affordable. So the first thing on my list is the Dove Intensive Hair Care Conditioner. When I tell you this conditioner is the truth, it will get through any hair type. I have pretty thick, curly, problematic hair, and it gets through my hair so easily. It just makes it super slick and easy to comb through. So if you guys have hair like me, you guys can use it, but it honestly works great on anybody's hair. Next up is a facial steamer. This is very spa-esque. It just reminds me of going to getting a facial, but you get to do it at home, so it's really great. They have a lot of these on Amazon. I actually own one right now that I'm obsessed with. Oh, love it so much. It's really changed and transformed my skincare to just a more fabulous type of situation. So I definitely think that this is a gift that you should write on your list right now.
Tell your mom, tell your friend, tell your cousin, tell anyone.
This is the gift to get you because it is just the best self-care gift ever. The next thing has to do with oral care, and it's a water floss. This is something that I think everyone should have, but I actually realize that not a lot of people own this. It kind of replaces your dental floss and really gets the teeth and in between the teeth very clean. It's just going to take your oral hygiene care to the next level. It's a tad bit more expensive than other things on this list, but it's so worth it and it will last you a lifetime. So speaking about oral hygiene, a tongue scraper is something that I think everyone should have that I actually don't own. Yeah, I know, I've been brushing my tongue with a toothbrush for all these years, and I've realized it's just not doing the job that I want. So I actually have on my list on Amazon a tongue scraper, so I will link one obviously for you guys in the description box along with all the rest of the things in this video. But a tongue scraper will just take your oral hygiene care to the next level as well, and it's just going to keep your tongue super clean, super fresh, perfect for, you know, kissing, you know what I mean? Because we don't want that stank.
You don't want that stank.
Okay, so anybody that knows me knows I love my robes. I wear robes probably more than I wear anything else. A cute satin robe is something I think everyone should have on their wish list this year. It is just so amazing to just be walking around in a nice, cozy satin robe so that you can just do your self-care in a cute little, you know, number, and you just feel super bougie. I actually found a lot of them on Amazon, and they are so dirt cheap. They are so comparable to the Victoria's Secret robes, it's kind of scary. And the Victoria's Secret ones, I want to say, are like in the $70 range. It's ridiculous.
I honestly wear it when I eat, I wear it when I sleep, I wear it when I'm on the computer.
Yeah, it's bad. So get yourself one, you guys are gonna love it. Something that I'm really mad at myself for not owning already, and I just feel like such a bad person, like I should just take the self-care queen title off my name. Because of this is I actually do not own a satin pillowcase. I know, just bully me. I deserve it. I do not own a satin pillowcase, and it's on my list of things to get. It's going to take your skin to the next level. It's going to take your hair to the next level. This, I heard, is really great for just not pulling your face during sleeping, so it's just going to keep you very youthful. And it also does not pull your hair at night, so if you forgot to tie your hair up at night and you lay down on your pillow, it's just a lot smoother and silkier to rest your head on versus the pillowcases that could tug on your hair or get caught on your face and things like that. But I'm going to pick one up like right now. And speaking of satin, I actually want to buy a new satin bonnet. I have been in the hunt for a new bonnet that is just going to feel a lot looser on my head at night. All of my bonnets currently are just super tight and make me like have a headache. So I want to get something that's more loose and can just let my hair freely hang inside the bonnet so I don't have to like really wrap it all the way up really tight so that it fits. The next thing that I do not own that is on my list right now is a hot comb. If you guys wear wigs like I do, a hot comb is so important for making sure that it lays super flat. I don't know why I don't already own a hot comb. I'm kind of mad at myself for not having one, but I've used a flat iron all these years and it's worked for me, but I still feel like a hot comb just gets it extra flat at the top. Just be careful using this on your natural hair and also be careful using it on your wigs because I heard that it could burn a hole in your wig, so just be extra careful. But my amazing hairdresser who does my wigs for me, she always hot combs my hair, and when I tell you that shit is laid, it's laid. Okay, laid. The next thing that I actually already own that I don't know if you guys already have these, because usually a lot of people look past this type of thing, is a scalp massager. They have these amazing scalp stimulating massagers on Amazon that you kind of rub in your hair when you have either conditioner in it or you just want to use it to stimulate hair growth. It also helps with headaches for me. So I actually like to put a little bit of essential oils on my scalp massager and put it on my natural hair after taking off my wigs, because you know, being underneath this wig sometimes you just want to rip it off and just massage your scalp, especially in the wintertime when it's a little bit dry outside. So I think that a scalp massager should be on your wish list, and what's great about them is that they are super affordable, so you guys don't have to have a problem affording it. It's just gonna be a nice little added thing that you guys can put in a little stocking. So yeah. How could we forget about a journal when talking about self-care? Self-care isn't always just about beauty and taking care of yourself on your exterior, but also taking care of your mind and your mental health. A journal is something that I invested in actually last year for the first time ever, and it changed my life. Not only is my journal something that I can just write in to talk about things, but it also helps me organize my life, whether it be video ideas, my schedule, school, anything like that. Having a nice organized life schedule is just something that everyone should just try to do because it will just make you feel that much better. So definitely invest in a journal. Don't just talk about and get the beauty products, invest in your mental health as well. Okay, so something that I've seen very viral and just being on YouTube recently is this blackhead vacuum. I really want to try it because I want to do a video about it. So let me know if you guys have this blackhead vacuum. I really want it. I'm a little bit nervous that it's going to create like a hickey style thing to my nose because I feel like a sucking motion just creates hickeys, and I have pretty sensitive skin, but I want to see how I like them because right now I'm using the Biore pore strips, and I want to see if these vacuum things really work or if I should just stick to the strips. One of my most amazing things that I've ever bought is a heated blanket. I actually get mine from Target. It's not the cheapest, I'm not gonna lie to you. I think it's in like the $40 or $50 range, but I could be wrong. It could be like 30 or 40, but yeah, it's not like under 20 bucks or anything, but it is one of the best inventions ever for someone like me who's always cold. I'm always cold, like literally always cold, yet I never wear clothes either, so that could be a problem. But a heated blanket has just transformed my relaxation at night, and honestly during the day whenever I'm in my room. I put it on me when I'm sitting at my desk, I put it on me when I'm sitting and doing my makeup, I put it on me when I'm in the bed. Honestly, it's just incredible. So definitely gift somebody a heated blanket or gift it to yourself. It's just a really great self-care item that I am obsessed with, and yeah, it's just something that I think everyone should have if they're cold all the time. Okay, and last but not least is something that I've been wanting for a really long time, and it was to invest in the Ordinary skincare products range. I have heard nothing but good things about Ordinary products. I actually have tried only one of their things before, but I want to really just go ham and buy all of their stuff and try it out because they have amazing dermatologist recommended products, and they are all drugstore prices and they're sold at Sephora. So it seems very intriguing to me, and I'm going to get my hands on it. And if you guys want to see a review of me trying these Ordinary products, then let me know. Okay guys, that is pretty much it for my self-care products that are on my wish list this year. What are on yours? Let me know down below, because honestly, I could add a little bit more to my list. I could fit a little bit more in there. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed my first video to Vlogmas. If you guys have any video ideas that you guys want to see up until the 25th, then let me know and I will film them for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.